The climate is changing, and so is the attitude of many Grenadians toward climate change.
I came out today to save the climate.
I came to support this walk because I love the earth.
Raising awareness about the issue facing the planet, some 700 came out in support of the 2015 Climate Change Walk, organized by the Ministry of Agriculture in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP. The walk was held on Saturday, May 30th. It began at Tantine Plainfield and ended at Montrouge Plainfield with a fun fair and exhibition. Both organizers and participants were impressed with the turnout.
We are very grateful that it is a positive walk. We see all the persons who participate as champions for the environment, that they will take the message of 7 billion dreams, one planet, consumed with care, to their communities.
Having the girls involved at an early age, being aware of what is really taking place with the climate, it will help them as they go on to learn to preserve it.
Spectre saying that it's an environmental organization. We have same problem with climate change back at Livera, so we thought it was good to invite persons from the communities in St. Patrick's to come and be part of the walk, and I think it was a good one.
We are committed to environmental management. We're committed to stewardship of the natural resources that we have. So any opportunity that we get to participate, to be involved, to encourage, to advocate, we are going to take it. So of course, this initiative here today is really, really excellent. And I mean, it's amazing that we can take environments and make environments so fun and really bring so many different persons to talk about climate change.
The Marketing Board, we're very supportive of the United Nations Development Programme on this climate change walk, because essentially what we do, climate change affects us in a very big way. I mean, most people may not even realize it, but if there is no rain, then you have a difficulty with produce. If the sun is too hot, then you have a difficulty with produce. So we're extremely pleased to be a part of this initiative to help sensitize people that climate change is real and that it affects every single person on the face of the earth.
The Climate Change Awareness Walk is one of several activities of the Integrated Climate Change Adaptation Strategies, designed to increase resilience of vulnerable communities and ecosystems to climate change risk in Grenada.
UNDP ICCAS is really targeting communities, and one is providing opportunities for them through funding, and two is creating an awareness around community and climate change adaptation. So this event today was really the awareness and education component. This is one in many things that UNDP would be doing. We hope to work with a number of different target audience, like primary school. We'll have a specific awareness program with them around theater, and we hope to work with the secondary school around movie maker. And then for us, this event this year, the Climate Walk was a major event for 2015, and for 2016 we want to do an environmental festival.
We are right now working on a number of activities. So we will work with the Ministry of Health to identify the challenges of the health sector when it comes to climate change. We'll be working closely with NAWASA on issues regarding water scarcity and water conservation. And we are also developing a big project together with NAWASA, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Agriculture, to make the water sector climate proof. So we are thinking about a $30 million investment project to help actually reduce the water scarcity in the future.
The harsh reality is with us. Our dry spells are getting longer, our hurricanes are more frequent and much stronger. We're seeing the sea level rise, soil erosion. In fact, one of the areas that I think we probably have not been looking at very closely is our surface and underground water. We have been losing that rapidly. If you look at our streams and rivers, they're getting, smaller and smaller in terms of the volume of water. So it all augurs well for the awareness. What I do hope, though, is that we can have a continuation of this kind of an activity.
The Integrated Climate Change Adaptation Strategy is part of the International Climate Initiative funded by the Government of Germany.